What to expect when your video goes viral on YouTube, especially for YouTube Short. I want to share that with you today because guess what? You're growing viral. Yay! But I want to share something with you today because I thought every YouTuber should know, especially small creators like myself. Listen, I'm never going to stop talking about this because just over, well, less than 2 months, really. I went from 300 to 10,000 subscribers, and even now I'm still growing. If you want to watch more tips on how I was able to do this in such a short period of time, go ahead and watch my long form videos after this video, okay? But today, let's talk about it. What should you expect? And I do have some notes here because I don't want to ramble all over the video. And also, please, I would love for you to subscribe and also to click the notification bell and leave me your feedback. Let me know your thoughts on this video because I want to be able to engage with you, and also let's grow together gracefully, okay? So let's talk about it. What should you expect when your video goes viral on YouTube, especially for YouTube Shorts? So first thing is, you will become obsessed. When I say obsessed, addicted, as if you're addicted to drugs. Yes, every minute you will be on your YouTube, go into the shorts and keep refreshing. I noticed I've been doing that, and I noticed other creators. I thought it was only me, right? So I'm telling you what to expect. Because here's the thing, you are so happy about knowing that you went viral, and you also want to keep the momentum. So here's the thing, we oftentimes always try to look on how we can make improvement, and we should do that, right? A lot of times I tell other people that ask me for my opinion, I do tell them, listen, even if your video is bad, go ahead and create it because over time you will get better. So if your content is wacky, continue making it because perfection is all about failure and trying and just keep going at it, right? And that's what I did. I mean, my videos was not the best, but every new video that I posted, they were just getting better over time. So you will become obsessed with your video. I'm not sure if it's going to be the long form one or the YouTube shorts, but I'm telling you, you're going to be obsessed, addicted, okay? Can't say I never warned you. So that's one thing you should expect. Also, another thing to expect, you will continue to watch your numbers because you are trying to make sure that your video improve over time. So you will keep refreshing and keep looking at the numbers and the comments and the like and all of that good stuff. So it can be addicted, okay? Another thing to expect, you will start to panic on trying to get the next best video. I promise you, I've been doing it. A lot of other creators have been experiencing the same, where they're panicking, trying to figure out what can be the next video to go viral again. So that happened to me, and I want to share with you what to expect. And it's not a bad thing, but you have to control it because listen, I caught myself. I'm like, girl, you need to control your behavior. So yes, I had to put myself under manners, and I'm like, no, you're going to give yourself 2-3 hours and then you will go back. Another thing to expect when your video go viral, be cautious, okay? You got to be cautious because let me tell you what's going to happen. There will be a lot of sponsorship companies that will reach out to you through your emails. And let me tell you something. Once your channel starts to blow up, once you start to go over 5 to 10,000 subscribers, you will have a lot of sponsorship. And some of these sponsorship are hackers, meaning that they're trying to steal your YouTube channel. I know this happened to this one lady. I was trying to find her channel. It was a new channel that she established, and she was literally crying because she has established her YouTube channel over 10-12 years. And because her video kept improving and she had, I believe, over 100K, she got a sponsorship. And when she checked her email, and I guess she was applying to the sponsorship, once she clicked that email, everything erased, meaning like they stole her account. And she said she was trying to find it. I'm trying to find it, but I can't. I promise you, if I ever find the video, I probably will put it in my description box. But yes, that happened to her. And also, I have been experiencing that as well. I mean, I'm not a big channel yet, but I'm over 10K. And I notice I have been receiving a lot of sponsorship, whether they want me to create free videos, whether they want to pay me $100 to create videos. And let me tell you, I am very cautious right now because I'm not going to click on those links. So most time what I will do, I would open up my email and copy the link, and then I will try it on another system, but I refuse to do it inside my email on my YouTube channel, okay? So I want to put you on your guard from now. Be careful when your videos start to blow up, when your videos and your subscriber base start to go up. You will get a lot of sponsorship, but you have to be careful. This is the time to mitigate any potential risk of you losing your channel. Last but not least, what you should expect when your channel blow up, you will have a lot of viewers are asking you, what did you do? How did you do certain things? And, they want to know. And listen, don't leave them hanging. I haven't been doing that at all. Every single person that asks me what I have done, I told them. I didn't hide it. I let them know exactly what I was doing and what they should do and how they can capitalize so they can get this result. I'm not going to hide it because let me tell you, a lot of time these YouTubers, they will hide information. And listen, I need people to experience what I'm experiencing in such a short period of time. So I'm going to share information to help change their situation. So I shared it. Everyone that reached out to me, I did comment and I let them know what I was doing. Now, hold on, because at a later time, I think I'm going to start selling ebooks as well as maybe offer consultation, but that's going to be at a later time. I'm starting to prep myself because I want to show people on how they too can get results. Now, for these ebooks that I may be selling, it won't cost that much, maybe $5, $10, $20. But for right now, I'm answering questions individually. So if you want these tips, I suggest watch my videos all the way through. I do put these information and I give all these tips so you too can experience the same results. So yes, I'm sharing that with you today, what to expect. Let's wrap it up one more time. You will become addicted to keep refreshing and checking those numbers, comments, and it will drive you crazy. But you have to put yourself under subjection, under control, because you will start to get obsessed, and then also you'll be nervous about trying to come up with the next video so you can blow up. So just be mindful of that. Also, you will get a lot of sponsorship, and some of these sponsorship will be hackable. They will send you a link and tell you to watch this, and they're going to offer you this. And as soon as you click that link, trust me, you're going to lose your channel, because this happened not once, but it also happened to other people. And I'm trying to avoid this at all costs. So be cautious. You want to risk mitigate any of this at this point. So just be careful. And last but not least, when your viewers or subscribers ask you, don't keep any secrets. Show them, tell them, be of a community service where you're giving back to the community. That's how I look at my thing. When I experience a certain result, I want to give back. So I'm going to share the information to help change viewers or subscriber situation. And I hope this video helped you out or gave you some clarity. What are your thoughts on this video? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're brand new to this channel. Until then, we'll see you around. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.